Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do long division step by step. Long division is a fundamental arithmetic skill that helps us divide larger numbers into smaller, more understandable portions. We will explore the 4 core operations involved: dividing, multiplying, subtracting, and bringing down. By following these steps systematically, you will gain confidence in tackling any long division problem, even those with 2-digit divisors or larger dividends. Let's begin our journey to master this essential mathematical process. Our first step in long division is to divide. You'll look at the leftmost digit or digits of your dividend and determine how many times your divisor can fit into that number without going over. For example, if you're dividing 75 by 3, you'd first consider how many 3s are in 7. Write that quotient digit directly above the number you divided. This sets the stage for the rest of your calculation. Next, we move to multiplying and subtracting. Take the quotient digit you just placed above the dividend and multiply it by your divisor. Write this product directly underneath the part of the dividend you were working with. Then, subtract this product from that section of the dividend. The result of this subtraction is your remainder for that step, and it must always be smaller than your original divisor. This confirms you're on the right track. For our final step, we bring down the next digit from the original dividend and place it next to your current remainder. This forms a brand new number, and you'll then repeat the entire cycle: divide, multiply, and subtract. You'll continue this process, bringing down one digit at a time until there are no more digits left in the dividend. If you have a final remainder, that becomes part of your answer, indicating a number that couldn't be evenly divided.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.